again to another lesson. Welcome again to another lesson. I am Bafu Cheque. You are watching Bafu TV. Please subscribe to my TV. Share a link to your friends so that you can get access to my video. So we are coming to another subtopic, another topic. We are coming to another topic. So we are starting new topic. Which is writing numerals in words. We are coming to know how to write numerals in words. Before we start the new topic, we have to. Last week we end with the place value, the place value decimal place. So we solve two examples. We are solving an additional example so that we are solving three questions under place value decimal places, so that we bring the place value decimal place to an end. So we are come to solve three examples under place value decimal place. So we are going to example 3. Example 3. Determine the value of the digit 9 in the number 534,000. If 534.93, 534.93. This example and the place value decimal place, we are going to solve it. So solution. The question says that we should find the digit 9 in the number 534.93. We are going to find the digit 9 in the number, the value of the digit 9 in the number 534.93. So we are going to find 93. So we are going to find the value of digit 9. This is digit 9. At the back of the decimal point, it starts from 10 up to 1000. So 9 is 10, is in 10th. So now we give us 9 times 1 over 10. 9 times 1 over 10. Which is 0.9. You get 0.9. So therefore, get 0.9. Sorry, 0.9, not 0.4. So this is third example. We are moving to the fourth example. Question says, what is the value of 2 in the number 689.125? What is the value of 2 in the number 689.125? We are coming to find the value of 2 in the number. So we are coming to find the value of 2. This is the value of 2. This is 2. So at the back of the decimal point, this is 2. So which is 2 is in 100. 2 is in 100 because it's less than the whole number. It's less than 1. So 2 is in 100. So you get 2 times 1 over 100. We have 10, 100, 1000. 2 is in 100. So you get 2 times 1 over 100. Which is 0 over 2 over 100. 2 over 100 will give you 0.02. Therefore, 689.125 is equal to 0.02. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. The value of 2 is 0.02. So we are moving to our last example under the increased value decimal base. Example 5. Question say, what is the value of 5 in the number 876.521? We are going to find the value of 5 in the number 876.521. So this is our 5. Here is 5. 5 is in 10. At the back of the decimal place is less than 1. So 5 is in 10. So our answer is 876.521 equals to 5 times 1 over 10. So get 0.5. So our final answer is 0.5. Our final answer is 0.5. So therefore 876.0.5. So this is the end of our lesson under place value decimal base. So we are moving to our new topic. We are going to start our new topic, numerals in words. Writing of numerals in words. We are going to know how to write numerals in numbers, how to write numerals in words. We are going to know how to write numerals in words. So to write numerals in words, we use the place value chart to write numerals in words. We use this place value chart to write numerals in words. It will help us to write numerals in words. So we write the numerals in words. We start it from left to right. We start it from left to right. Example. You start it from this is left, our left, our right, our left, our right. So we are going to have an example under the writing of numerals in words. So we are solving example. Example 1. are starting from the smaller one. So that question say we should write. Question say we should write 46 in words. We are coming to write 46 in words. So we are coming to use the chart to write this numerals in words. So we are going to use our chart. So 46. We know that this is 46. 46. So we are going to use this 46 to compare to this chart. So 46, 46, 40 and 6. See 2 digits. 4 and 6. You see 2 digits. 2. We have 6. 4 and 6. So 4 is in tens, which is 4 is in tens. 4 is in tens. So 4 is equal to 4 times 10, which is 40, and it's written in words like 40. This is 40. Let it get it so that you can 40, and 6 is in ones. It's 4 within ones. 6 4 within ones. So 6 is equal to 6 times 1 equal to 6. And in words 6. So we are coming to combine these two. So which is to write this one in words. So 46 is equal to 40 hyphen 6. That's how to write this one in words. Therefore 46 is equal to 6. If 46 is equal to, let it. Therefore is how 46 is written in when this example 1. We are moving to another example 2. The same question. We should write example 2. Right? We should write 342 in words. We should write 342 in words. You're going to write this one in words. So, solution 42. 342. We mention it as 342. So 304 within hundreds, because 3 is in 4 within 100, because 3 is in 100. So after 3 we have to make this follow 3. So this one will turn to zeros. We have 300. So 3 is equal to 3 times 100 will give you 300. So in words, and from 3 we move to 4. 4 we have 42. Has only one digit follow 4. So 2 will turn to 0. So 4 will fall within tens. So 4 is in tens. 4 times 10. 4 times 10, which is 40. 4 times 10, which is 40, and it's written in words like this: 40. 40. So from 4 we move to 2. 2 also is in ones. The 4 within 1. So from 100 you move to tens. From 10 you move to ones. So 2 4 within 2 4 in ones. And the 2 is in ones. The 2 is equals to, and it's written as. So we are going to combine these three. So we have 342. 342. That is our final answer. Final answer is 342. So is written here as so we are moving to our last but 2 questions, but 3. So that we will bring this topic to an end. Then we'll move to another topic. So we are writing 24,246,517. 246,517 in words. Example 3. If 10 is not taken, you pronounce it wrongly. So you have to take your time to pronounce this digits or these figures. So it's 246,517. So you see 2 is in 100,000 because after at the back of the 2 it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 2 can be found in 100,000. And 2 is in 100,000. You are coming to 2 is equal to 2 times 100,000. Get it is 200,000 followed by from 1,000 from 100,000. So followed by 4. 4 is equal to is 40,000. From 40,000, from 10,000 move to 1,000. It says 4 within 10 times. 6 is in thousand. 6 times. Which is 6,000. From 6,000, from 1,000 move to 100. 5 is in 100. So here's 5 for 4 here. Here. 4 here. So 5 times 100. And from 100 we move to tens. 1 is in 10. 1 times 10. Which is 10. And it's 10. From 10 move to 7. 7. So 7 is in ones. From 10 you move to ones. So 7 is in ones. 7 is equal to 7 times 1, which is 7, and it's plus 7. 17. 7. It's written as 7. So we are going to combine these words from these words to form new words. So we are going to learn this is 246,570. So you can see 200,000. This is 1,000. 40,000. We mention as 246,000. 1,000. So you combine 6 and 4, 40 to give you 46,000. Combine 6 and 40, 6 and 40 and 6 to give you 46 and 246,570. That is the answer. That is the answer. So I'm saying here is 246,570. Therefore, 246,000 is equals to that's our final answer. Final answer 246,570. So we are going to solve another example. So we are going to solve another example. If you write big one, the last example. We are going to take big figure, so that if you write this one, mention 15,378,251. 50 million because it has 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. million has 3 zeros. So 50,378,251. That is how this figure is mentioned. 50,378,251. We are going to write it in words. You have to take your time to pronounce it. Here is not again, pronounce it one way. So 50 is in millions. 50 million is in millions. It will fall within millions. See, 50 is in millions. 50 is equals to, no, let me write solution. Therefore, 50 is in million. 50 times 1 million, which is equals to 50 million. Is in words. 50 million. So followed by 100. From million we get 100,000, which is 3 is in 100,000. The 3 is in 100,000. So 3 is equals to get 300,000. That's 5 zeros. From 100,000 you move to 10,000. 7 is in 10,000. You write the words. Sorry. 300,000. We have 7 4 within 70,000. It's 7 times 10,000. It's 70,000. From 70,000, 8 will follow. 8 is in 1,000. 8 is in 1,000. From 10,000 we move to 8,000. From 1,000 we move to 100. 2 will fall within 100. You get 200. From 200, from when we move to what? We move to 5, move to 10. We move to 10. 5 will fall in 10. 5 will fall in 10. 5 is in 10. Last, we have 1. 1 is in 1. 1 will fall in 1 will fall in 1. 1 times 1, it is 1. And it's written as 1. So we have known all this. So we are going to combine to form in words. So we are going to mention it as 50 million. This is 50 million. 378,251. 300 and what? 78,000. This is 8,000. 251. 3 million. 3 million. 50 million. 378,251. Is equals to 50 million 378,000 251, comma 251. That is our answer of this numerals. So this is the end of example under writing numerals in words. So we are moving to how to write words in numerals. We are starting another subtopic, which is writing of words in numerals. Writing of words in numerals. Writing of words in numerals. So we are going to know how to write words in numerals. We finish with how to write or writing of numerals in words. We are going to writing of words in numerals. So we use this place value chart. This chart will help us to write words in numerals. We start it from left to right. So we are going to take another examples under writing of words in numerals. Example 1. Looking at example 1. Example 1 says write 245 in numerals. I'm going to write 245 in numerals. Write 245 in numerals. So I'm going to write this 245. We are going to use this value chart to write this one in numerals. So our solution. So this is 245. 200. 2 times this 100. This 100. So 2 times 100. 45 for 40, 40 is in 10. So 4 times 10. 5 times 1. From 100 you move to 10. From 10 you move to 1. So which is 5 times 1. So 2 times this. 2 times 100 give you 200. Plus 4 times 10 will give you 40. Plus 5. Together, the final answer is 2, 4, 5. This is our final answer. Therefore, $245 equals 2, 4, 5. This is writing of words in numerals. We are moving to second example. Example 2. Write 15,208 in numerals. We should write 15,208 in numerals. Write our solution. So 15,000. 15 will fall. 15 is in thousand. So 15 times 1,000. Okay. Plus 200. 2 is in 100. 2 times 100. Plus 8. 8 is in 1. And 8 times 1. 15 times 1,000 will give you 15,000. 2 times 100 will give you 200. 8 times 1 will give you 8. Therefore, when you add 15 times 200 will give you 15 times 200 plus 8. And our final answer will give you 15. This is our final answer. Or you can do it like this. Let me write the second. 15,200. 8, 2. Therefore, $15,208 equals 15. This is our final answer. 15,208. So we are solving additional 2 examples so that we can bring this topic, subtopic to an end. So another example we are going so that we will bring this topic to an end. Another example, which is we should write 600,000 335. Example 3. I'm going to write this one in words. 16,635. So, solution. So, 600,000. 6 is in thousand. 6 is in 100,000. 6 is in 100,000. 306 is in 100,000. So you get 6 times 100,000. 300 get in 3 is in 100. Is 100. Thirty is in 10. That is 3 times 10, which is 30. And 5 is in 1, which is 5 times 1. This one is 600,000 plus 300,000. 300 plus 30 plus 5. So our final answer will give us give us 300, 0, 0, 30, 0, 5. So if we are going to add all of them, this is 5, this is 3, this is 3, this is 0, 3. Therefore, $600,000 That's our final answer. Yes. Let's solve last example so that you can do. Let's solve last example. So our last example is 60,606,000. 606,006. 60,606,006. So our last example, we are going to use big figure, big words, so that 60 million, example 4. The question is if you write 60,666,006 in numerals. So we are going to use this chart, this value chart, so that you can write this one in words in numerals. All in numerals. So one is we have 60 million. The 60 will fall. 60 is in millions. So it is our solution. It's 60 times 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 is in 660,000. 600, 6 is in 100,000. 6 in 100,000. 600 is 60 million. So 660,000 is 6 times 100. Followed by 60,000. The 6 is in 10,000. 6 is in 10,000. 6 times. Followed by 6. 6. This is 6. 6 is in ones. Which is this one will give you 60 million plus 600,000 plus 60,000 plus 6. Our answer which is 60 million. This 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1. We have 6,000. 1, 2, 3, 6. We have 6. 6, 0, 0, 6, 0, 6, 0, 6. So this is our final answer. Therefore, our final answer will give us therefore million 600 60 6,000 and 6 is 60 60 60. So this is our final answer for this question. So this is the end of our topic for the second video. So our next meeting will be operation of whole number, operation of whole number, operation of whole number, or operation on whole number. Our next topic will be operation on whole number. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please allow your child to learn maths with me. We are not in normal times, so you can download it and give it to your child so that you can watch this video. Especially those who are going to GHS 1, GHS 2, and GHS 3. It will help them that in this we are not in normal time, so allow your child to learn maths with me. You can share the link to your friends so that you can subscribe to my channel so that you can watch more videos on my channel. So thank you. Bye bye. God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.